National Weather Service Damage Survey for May 26, 2024 tornado event. Livingston County, Kentucky, rating, FU estimated peak wind unknown path length, or statute/unknown path width, or maximum/unknown fatalities, 0 injuries, 0 start date, May 26, 2024 start time, 7:30 p.m. Start location, 4 miles northwest of Calvert City, Kentucky. End date, May 26, 2024 and time, 7:30 p.m. End location, 4 miles northwest of Calvert City, Kentucky. Survey summary, 2 separate video recordings of a brief tornado touchdown just east of us Highway 60 and south of Cutoff Road. The intensity remains unknown as the touchdown location was not accessible by National Weather Service storm surveyors. The current time is